Hello everyone. Today I am discussing about expression in SQL. Expression, a statement which gives us a result, is known as an expression. Such as, suppose we have an expression as x plus y is equals to 20. Suppose the x value is 10 plus y is equals to 20, y is equals to 20 minus 10, y is equals to 10. So, it is an statement. It is expression. It is a statement which gives us result. It is known as expression. Expression consists of two types: operand, operators. As we know that expression having operand and operators. Operand and operators. Operators. Operators, as we know that plus, minus, multiplication, division, all these are operators, which we use in other languages also. Operand consists of two types: column name, literals. Literals are also known as direct values. Literals are of three types: number literals, character literals, date literals. Character literal and date literal should be enclosed within single quotes. As operand consists of two types: column name and literal. For example, suppose we want to know about the salary or monthly annual salary, so we will multiply with 12, so that we can get as annual salary. Here the column name is salary and the 12 is the number literal. It is known as literal, so that too specifically it is number literal. And the operators are, here it is multiplication asterisk is the operator, and the character literal and date literal should be enclosed within single quotes. Suppose we get an character literal or date literal should be enclosed with single quotes. I had done with the example: salary asterisk 12, operand, operator, operand column name, operand number literal. Now we discuss about alias. Alias is an alternative name given to an column or an expression in the result table. Alias is nothing but all we have some alternative names as nicknames. Same as that, alias is also having an alternative name. Suppose we want to know about, suppose we want to do the multiplication. Suppose salary into 12. It is an arithmetic expression. So after converting it, we have to name it as some annual salary. For that we use alias. Alias name can be used with or without any using as keyword. Suppose it is syntax of this, it is salary into 12 as annual salary, as is a keyword, and we can use, or we can without using also we can use it. We can have the alias. For example, salary into 12, we can by replacing as also we can write annual salary. But alias name should be a single word or a string enclosed within double quotes. Suppose we are writing annual salary, we want to give annual space salary, then it will not executed, because here the space is not used. If we want to use the space, we have to place an double quotes. Otherwise we can use just as annual underscore salary. It is a column name. It is accepted. Alias is not mandatory but recommended to provide, because it is all alias is not mandatory, but as our convenience we use this alias symbol, alias. And we should know that SQL is a not case sensitive, means it does not follow case sensitive. Some of the problems as I discussed here, Write your query to display all the annual salary of the employee from the employee table. We can use select salary into 12 as annual salary from employee. Here what is happening is from employee table it will go to the database and search for the employee table, and under the execution the select will select the salary column and it is multiplied into 12 because the annual consists of 12 months. For single month it is only given, so salary into 12 as annual salary, as I'm naming that annual salary. We can use as or without as also we can do, and the double quotes is also not mandatory. If we want only space, then it is mandatory. Otherwise it is we can use underscore. Next one, right way query to display name, salary of the employee along with their annual salary. Select ename, name as in the table of employee table. We have ename, salary and salary into 12 as annual salary from employee. Write a query to display name, salary and salary with a hike of 10%. Hike is the increment of the salary. So select ename, salary and salary plus salary, as we want to 10% hike means, so salary plus salary, if the salary is 1000 rupees, then the hike is 10%, then we should add 1000 plus 1000 into 10 by 100, as a percentage symbol is not allowed in the SQL, so we have to use 10 by 100 or 0.01. So here two zeros cancel, 10 into 10 100, so we will get 1100. Write a query to display name, salary and salary with a hike of 10%. So we have displayed ename, salary, salary plus salary into 10 by 100 as a hike salary of 10%, because we want to give a unique name, so we use that hike salary of 10%. It should be meaning to the expression or the expression. Here the if expression it is not mandatory, as alias is not mandatory, but if we want to but if any expression we are performing, then it is mandatory as default also. Write a query to display ename and designation along with a 100 rupees penalty in salary. So ename, select ename, job, in employee table we have designation as job, so we can write as a job, salary and salary minus 100 rupees penalty means decrement, so salary minus 100 as penalty from employee table. Write a query to display ename and salary with monthly hike of rupees 50 rupees. Select ename, salary, salary plus 50 as monthly hike 50 rupees from employee table. Write a query to display of all the employees along with annual salary. Select star, because I want to display all the columns, so I have uh, written as star or asterisk. We have to call as asterisk, comma asterisk, salary asterisk 12 as annual salary, because we want annual salary as a name, as a annual salary from employee. Write a query to display all the details along with annual salary for all the employees from employee table. It is also same, so I have written as select asterisk comma salary into 12 as annual salary from employee. Thank you everyone.